Hey guys, it's your guy Abdrazak. Today we'll be looking at combining dates and time together in Excel 2016. So let's take for example, you have a data set like this that has a registration ID column, date column, and time column, and you're asked to combine both the date and time together. The way you do it is you simply press equal to, select the date cell, then and add it. You add them together. Since date is stored in Excel as a number and time also is stored in Excel as a number, so you can simply do addition on the two and it will give you the date time value for this particular date and time. This is how you combine date and times together. If you look at this particular time, is being shown here in 24 hours. So to convert this, you simply use Ctrl+1 to select the particular format you want it to be. Just write AM/PM. If you want it to be in 12 hours, so it will be 16 January 2019, 4:21 p.m. So now to do same for the remaining data set, guys, you know how it is. You just simply double click it for it to do same for the remaining data set. So now this is how you combine date and time together in Excel. Thanks for listening. Hope to see you next time. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.